How to give access to Google Forms. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch any web browser on your device. Click search bar at top of your screen and type in Google Form and press enter on your keyboard and click on the first link of Google Form to access the official interface. Now you simply need to open that particular form where you want to give access to someone. Once you open, you need to navigate to the share icon at top right corner of your screen. And now you simply need to click on responder view and you can choose anyone with the link. If you wish that someone you share or give access to this particular form get the permissions to edit, you can easily select that and choose anyone with the link. Now you simply need to add people groups and the calendar events. So you can easily click on this box and then type in the particular email address. So let's type in. And after that, you have given the access to the particular user. You can easily edit their uh, role. That is either they are only the responder or the editor as well. Or you can even transfer the ownership to that particular users. So after that, you can click on the save button at bottom right corner of this menu box and then you have successfully given access to that particular users. That's it for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.